What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail. And today's cocktail is a tequila based one. It's called the Mexican Firing Squad. So what you want to do is get your shaker and add some ice to it. So the first ingredient to go in, guys, is 4 ounces, which is 120 ml of tequila. As you can see, we're using the Patron brand. Next is 45 ml or 1.5 ounce of fresh lime juice. So next ingredient, guys, is 45 ml or 1.5 ounce of Grenadine. And last but not least, 5 dashes of Angostura bitters. Right, now put your lid on. Now give it a good shake, 8 to 10 seconds, get nice and chilled. What you want to do now, guys, is get your rocks glass and put in a big giant ice cube. Now just strain into it. My personal point of view, I think it'd be big enough for 2. We'll say if you have a bigger glass, you probably serve 1, but for this size, I reckon it'd serve 2. And there we go, guys. 1 Mexican Firing Squad. How does it taste? Oh, that's lovely. That's absolutely lovely. Oh. One thing I will say, if you love tequila, you'll love this, especially with the Grenadine. I just love Grenadine. If you added orange juice to this, it'd be a tequila sunrise because it's absolutely beautiful. It's a very nice tequila, that. But that, guys, is the Mexican Firing Squad. Because I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more cocktails like this. And I will see you guys in the next cocktail video. Cheers.